All right. So, hello everyone. Welcome back to this wonderful magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday we talked about magic morning, where how you can, be grateful for the morning and bless and be thankful for each and everything that you touch and use. तो कैसे हम शुक्राना कर सकते हैं उन चीज़ों के लिए जो हमें दी गई हैं, और जो चीज़ें नहीं है हमारे पास उसको हम ध्यान ना देते हुए अपना फोकस वहां से हटाकर एंड देन लेट्स बी मोर ग्रेटफुल फॉर द थिंग्स व्हाट वी हैव इन आवर लाइफ. क्योंकि उससे क्या होगा, व्हेन वी वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग द फर्स्ट थिंग इफ वी डू, द माइंड इज मोस्ट एक्टिव, द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड इज हाईली एक्टिव एट दैट टाइम. तो जो भी हम बात बोलते हैं उस टाइम पे दोज थिंग्स दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग रिपीटेड. तो आपको सिमिलर सिचुएशंस मिलती हैं वेयर यू आर मोर ग्रेटफुल फॉर. You can be more grateful for those things. It so happens. Like, if you don't know how to rule your mind, the mind will start ruling you. This is an old saying. So, it is very important to understand that we need to control our mind through the power of the subconscious mind. And that is when it is maximum awake before sleeping and the first thing in the morning when we wake up. That is also called Brahma Muhurat. जब आप कोई भी विचार आपके मन में आते, दे आर ऑल पॉजिटिव एंड प्योर इफ यू स्लीप विद अ पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड. Okay, so any questions regarding yesterday's class, and did you all do your assignments? So let's move on to the next chapter. This is another beautiful chapter, chapter 12, which talks about how some people, those people who come in our life from different walks of life, they come into our lives, and then they just create magic in our life. They support us no matter what happens, and they support us at the time when we most need it, when it is required maximum. We get the support from somewhere. You can get it from any family person, you can get it from somewhere, you can get it from any relative, friends, or some unknown person. You don't know. It can be just a random person coming into your life for a while, or it can be from someone who stays in your life forever. It so happens. So we need to remind ourselves, हमें उन लोगों को ढूंढना है आज कि जिन लोगों ने हमारी समय पे हेल्प करी व्हेन वी मोस्ट नीडेड इट, एंड दैट इज सो वैल्यूएबल. पर हम उनको भूल जाते हैं ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एंड वी गेट सो caught up in our own world that we just forget them. So let's remind ourselves of those people in our life. So let's start the book reading. And this is about yesterday's assignment, where you were supposed to, whatever thing you touch and use, you say the magic words thank you in your mind. And rest of both the assignments were the same. Day 12, magical people who made a difference. So, Sandeep, will you read?
Yes, ma'am, I like the reading part.
I know. Thank you so much. Yes, please.
At times, our own light goes out and is re- rekindled by a spark from another person. Each one of us has cause to think with deep gratitude of those who have lighted the flame within us. Albert Schweitzer, Nobel Peace Prize winning. Every one of us has received help, support, or guidance from other people at particular times in our life. Uh, when we need it most. Sometimes another person alters the course of our life through their encouragement, guidance, or just being there at the right time. And then life goes on, and we tend to forget those times when one person touched us or changed our life. Sometimes you don't even realize the impact a person had until well into the future. When you look back on your life and realize that a particular person was pivotal in magically changing the direction of your life for the better.
या सो कई बार कैसा होता है हमारी लाइफ में कि कोई आज ऐसा मुझे किसी को भी ऐसा कोई मिल जाता है जो लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाने में मदद करता है इन द राइट डायरेक्शन दैट इज मोस्ट रिक्वायर्ड। जैसे जब मैं कॉलेज में थी आई रिमेम्बर देयर वाज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन और शी यूज्ड टू आस्क मी कि आज पढ़ाई करी। शी वाज वेरी गुड इन स्टडीज एंड शी बिकेम माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड। तो मुझसे पूछती थी आज पढ़ाई करी कितना पढ़ी कितने घंटे पढ़ी एंड कभी मैं बोलती थी हाँ पढ़ा और कभी बोलती नहीं नहीं मैंने तो नहीं पढ़ा। सो शी यूज्ड टू आस्क मी व्हाई क्यों नहीं पढ़ा यू स्टार्ट रीडिंग नाउ एंड एवरी डे शी यूज्ड टू कॉल मी और पूछती थी कि कितने घंटे तुमने पढ़ाई करी। दैट पुश वाज रिक्वायर्ड इन माय लाइफ। Though I used to study, but sometimes it so happened, and that really made a lot of change in my life. I topped in my college and masters, so that push is required from someone whom you really
Amazing.
trust. या फिर any unknown person also they can push you. Can be a teacher, a coach, can be any friend of yours, can be any relative or a neighbor. Even a child can teach you. Even a child can guide you. सो द थिंग इज जिनके लिए भी जिन्होंने भी आपके लिए कुछ करा है लाइफ में एंड आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल टू माई फादर ऑल्सो कि उन्होंने मुझे हेल्प करी मुझे एजुकेशन दी सो दैट आई कुड रियली डू वट आई वॉन्टेड टू डू। यस प्लीज।
Uh, the person may have been a teacher or coach, an uncle, aunt, sibling, grandparent, or any family member. They may have been a doctor, nurse, or best friend. They may have been the person who introduced you to your current partner or to a particular interest that became one of your greatest passions. Maybe they were someone you didn't even know and they appeared in your life very briefly, performing a random act of kindness that touched you to the core. My grandmother gave me my love for books, cooking, and the countryside. By sharing her love for those things with me, all of them affected and changed the course of my life. Cooking became a passion of mine for over 20 years. My love of books eventually led to me becoming a writer, and my love of the countryside has influenced where I have lived throughout my life. My grandmother also disciplined me with the steel hand to say thank you. At the time, I thought she was just teaching me to be polite. It was only later in my life I realized that teaching to me say the magic word was the greatest gift my grandmother ever gave me. She is not alive anymore, but I continue to be grateful to her for the huge influence she had on the course of my life. Thank you, Grandma. Today, you are going to think about the magical people who have impacted your life. Find a quiet place alone sometime during the day today. Sit down and think of three extraordinary people who have made a difference in your life. Once you have your three people, work with work with one person at a time and talk out loud to each person as though they were present, telling him or her the reasons why you are grateful to them and how they affected the course of your life. Make sure you do this magical practice with all three people in the one session because it will take your feeling of gratitude to a far deeper level. If you split up this magical practice throughout the day, you will not feel the same depth of gratitude nor receive the magical results. Here's an example of what you might say. Sarah, I want to thank you for the time that you encouraged me to follow my heart. I was lost and confused that day, and your words touched me and lifted me out of despair. Because of what you said, I found the courage to follow my dream and I moved to France to work as an apprentice chef. I am living my dream and I couldn't be happier. All because of what you said to me that day. Thank you, Sarah. It's
Yeah,
very important.
so it is important to dig in those moments and to remind ourselves। तो कैसे होगा हमें अभी हम ढूंढेंगे किसी भी उस व्यक्ति को जो आपकी लाइफ में आया और जिसने आपकी लाइफ को हेल्प करी कोई कोर्स करा दिया आपको कुछ गाइडेंस दे दी कि ये करो कोर्स जिसकी वजह से आप अभी यहाँ पर हैं। आप कुछ कर पा रहे हैं लाइफ में, आगे मूव कर पा रहे हैं, कुछ सोच पा रहे हैं, सही दिशा दी उन्होंने. So, can we all just close our eyes for just a moment and think about that person who helped us at the time when we most needed? उस व्यक्ति को ढूंढना है. वो कोई भी हो सकता, कोई जरूरी नहीं कि आपका रिश्तेदार हो, वो कोई भी हो सकता है. उसको ढूंढना है और उसको ढूंढ के आपको ये बोलना है, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग इन माय लाइफ एंड सपोर्टिंग मी फॉर दिस कॉज. वो जो भी बात के लिए उन्होंने आपको सपोर्ट करा उस टाइम पे, वो आपको जो बात उनकी याद आ रही है, उसको याद करते हुए आपने उनको शुक्राना करना है. We'll just do this small visualization right now. So please close your eyes for a moment and just go back to your memory lane and try to think about that person. उनके बारे में आप सोचिए, वो कौन थे, उन्होंने कहाँ से वो आए, क्या हेल्प करी उन्होंने, और उसका क्या रिजल्ट है, और वो आपके सामने बैठे हैं. Just imagine he is sitting in front of you and you are saying him in the face that thank you so much. आपकी आईज बंद होंगी, but just imagine he is sitting in front of you and you are saying thank you so much for being there at that moment when I needed it. Thank you so much. So let's close our eyes and imagine doing this. If you are done, you can open your eyes. Or you can write in the chat box. Okay, so is it done? Yes, very nice. Thank you. Thank you, Cindy. Okay, yes, please read further.
Mm, if you are not in a position to talk out loud, then you can write down your words to each person and address them as though you are writing a letter. When you have completed this practice, you will feel a huge difference in the way that you feel. The evidence of the gratitude's power working is always that first and foremost, it makes you happy. Secondary evidence of gratitude's power is that you attract wonderful things. And as if all of that wasn't enough, the happiness you feel after practicing gratitude also attracts more wonderful things which will make you even happier. That's the magic of life and that's the magical power of gratitude.
Yes, that is the magical power of gratitude. क्योंकि क्या होता है कि इट विल मेक यू हैप्पी कि आपने उनको वापस शुक्राना किया, और वो जो फीलिंग आती है हैप्पीनेस की, दैट आई वांट यू ऑल टू शेयर, कि आपको कैसा लगा जब आपने उनको थैंक यू बोला. हाउ वाज द फीलिंग? यू कैन अनम्यूट एंड स्पीक और यू कैन राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स कि उनको शुक्राना करके आपको कैसा लगा.
Good, ma'am. Good.
गुड, नो? वेरी
Yes,
नाइस.
ma'am.
और दूसरा, यू अट्रैक्ट मोर सच वंडरफुल सिचुएशंस where you can be grateful of the people. That is the whole idea. When you start visualization, yes, thank you, Vipali. So when you start visualizing this, you start experiencing more magic in your life. So let's go back to this chapter, the second para, which says, it is very important that you say the reasons why you are grateful. And you can't say too much. Instead, the more you say and the more you feel, the more amazing the results. You will see the magic explode into your life from doing this practice. It numbers among the most powerful act of gratitude you can ever perform. ये जो एक्टिविटी अभी हमने करी है, that is one of the most powerful form of gratitude activity, जो हम वापस शुक्राना भेजते हैं किसी को, because हम imagine करते हैं that he is sitting right in front of us, and from our soul to another soul we pay gratitude. It is a beautiful practice. So you can do this any number of times you want. अभी हमने एक पर्सन के साथ करा, आप जितने भी लोग आपकी आपको याद आते हैं, you can just sit down before sleeping today and just think about those people in your life who really helped you. Here also in the book it is written that do it for 3 people. So when you do it for 3 people, please understand that you have to do it in one go. मतलब आप 10-15 मिनट 20 मिनट टाइम निकालिए, जो आप एक के बाद एक उनको ढूंढेंगे, उनको आप खोजेंगे. दे वर ट्रेजर्स इन योर लाइफ विच यू हैव टू हंट. तो आज आपको एक और गिफ्ट उपहार में मिला है, और वो है वो कीमती लोग जिन्होंने आपकी लाइफ में सहारा बन के आपकी लाइफ में वो आए. And you need to give gratitude to them and say that you really love them for the reason. This is the reason. And say by taking their name and say it in their face. And you can also write it down. So, this is about the chapter. And before doing the assignment, taking the assignment, I want to share with you a beautiful video. Just give me a moment. So, how are you feeling? Thank you,
Very
Manisha. Thank you.
nice.
Thank you. Yeah. So this is Dipali, random acts of kindness. I think it's Dipali. Thank you. Thanks for liking this. I found this very beautiful. So let's finish with the last page. Yes, magic practice number 12.
Magical people who made a difference. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful for. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Find a quiet place alone sometime during today and make a list of 3 people who made a difference in your life. Work through the list one person at a time, and while talking out loud, tell each person the reason why you are grateful for them and exactly how they affected the course of your life. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you
इसमें
for
वो
the
था
best
ना,
thing that
डाउनलोड
happened
करके था,
today.
चल नहीं रहा था ना, चल नहीं रहा था फुल से ना.
1 minute. Yeah. Yes, Sandeep.
Just before you go to the sleep tonight, hold the magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you. Thank you for reading
Thank you so
wonderfully.
much,
Thank
ma'am.
you, Sandeep. Okay, so it's a beautiful chapter. Anything you want to share? Anyone? Please let your feelings flow with the chapter because it's a chapter of great feelings.
Yes,
How you
ma'am.
feel for the people who support you. Come out, share your feelings about it. And then we do our next activity.
Ma'am, we should help others who need it.
Yeah.
It
And
makes us happier. It makes us happier, really.
it makes us happier.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
for when you are grateful, that is the time when you are maximum happy. So if you want to be happy in your life, the first thing, the foremost thing is to be grateful for what you have. And you'll be automatically happy because gratefulness and love, these are the two best feeling zones. So let's do a small activity. I'll just share an example with you where there's a circle of life. And in this circle, I would like to just one moment. Yeah. So like all situations in our life, what happens is that all areas of our life, be it relationship or health और एनी काइंड ऑफ लाइफ में जैसे कुछ भी आता है हमारे रिलेटेड टू मनी रिलेटेड टू करियर और एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप तो क्या होता है कि दे वर्क इन अ सर्कल दे ऑल वर्क इन अ सर्कल सो आई जस्ट वो ऊपर नीचे उतार चढ़ाव दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ सो वी जस्ट टॉक अबाउट हाउ that circle of life helps us. So this is a circle. Just imagine that you are in a giant wheel. Just imagine. And then this is a small exercise, and I would like all of you to participate. So you are here on the top. You are here. Uh, Let me draw this for you. You are here on the top. जब जायंट व्हील पे हम टॉप पोजीशन पे होते हैं तो हमें कैसा लगता है? We feel excited. They are like butterflies in our stomach. And then you say, yeah, this is it. Wow, we are so happy. So that feeling you get. और फिर क्या होता है? फिर वो जो झूला है जायंट व्हील का, वो नीचे आने लगता है. वो धीरे धीरे नीचे आ रहा है. Because that is a circle of life. Why I'm saying is that you can just imagine अगर आपकी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस आया हो जब क्योंकि लाइफ में क्या होता है कभी हम बहुत ज़्यादा we feel great in our life. You can take example of any relationship in your life. तो उसमें हमने महसूस करा कि हमारा रिलेशन बहुत ही अच्छा था. It can be with anybody, with your partner or friend or some relative. तो उसमें आपको बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. The feeling was great. और फिर ऐसा होता है कि you start feeling low. You start feeling low. And there comes a point when you feel the lowest. So mostly what happens is that when the people are at this position, the lowest position in their relationship or any area of their life, in career or work, तो उनको लगता है कि now there is no going further. They feel so कि अब तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, अब तो गाड़ी आगे चल ही नहीं पाएगी, अब तो गाड़ी रुक गई हमारी, क्योंकि आगे उनको आगे जाने का रास्ता समझ नहीं आ रहा. So what they do? They jump into depression. They jump into stress, helplessness, and they start feeling negative. They get into that negative feeling zone.
They even commit suicide.
They even commit that. That was my main point actually, जो भी आजकल हम देख रहे हैं, हम सुन रहे हैं. So वो लाइफ में एक ऐसे पॉइंट पे आ जाते हैं जब उनको आगे कुछ रास्ता नहीं दिखता, उनको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि हम किससे बात करें. There's no one to talk to. तो उस टाइम पे क्या होता है कि नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं उनके माइंड में. They get into that zone. Their situation becomes so negative कि उनकी लाइफ में नेगेटिव लोग आने लग जाते हैं. Because they are into negative zone and they start attracting negative people, negative friends in their life. जो बोलते हैं हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल ठीक हो रहा है, अब तेरे साथ तो बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, अब तू क्या कर सकता है, कुछ बचा ही नहीं अब तो, जॉब्स तो आजकल मिल ही नहीं रही है, रिलेशनशिप का तो ये बुरा हाल हो गया, योर पार्टनर इज लाइक दे जस्ट हाँ में हाँ मिलाते हैं. So that person goes again deep into the depression mode. और उसको कुछ
Yes,
समझ ही
ma'am.
नहीं आ रहा कि अब मैं क्या करूं. So why I'm telling you this? That at that point they need a push. They need a push, a big push for them to take their life further. Because अगर कोई उनको ऐसा सहारा मिल जाए जो उनकी लाइफ को आगे आगे और आगे बढ़ाए, so they will reach back to the same position. जो उनको मोटिवेट करे, जो उनको गाइड करे. So that is the point what I am talking about. ये जो पॉइंट है जो उनको वहां पे वापस पहुंचाए, बिकॉज लाइफ में अप डाउन तो आएगा, बट एक बार ही अगर वो वापस पहुंच गए उसी जगह पर जहां से उन्होंने शुरू करा था, तो उनको समझ आ जाएगी यार दिस इज लाइफ. उतार चढ़ाव आना तो उनको समझ आ जाएगी, दे कैन हैंडल, बिकॉज दे हैव सीन द अप एंड दे हैव सीन द डाउन. क्या होता है कि लाइफ में जब डाउनफॉल आने लगता है, जैसे डाउन हिल पे जाते हैं, तो जैसे आप साइकिल चला रहे हैं तो साइकिलिंग के टाइम पे नीचे जाती है साइकिल, तो जब नीचे जाते हैं तो नीचे बहुत जल्दी से हो जाता है, वो बहुत आराम से हो जाता है, बट ऊपर जाने के लिए आपको एक पुश चाहिए, एक सहारा चाहिए,
Efforts.
कुछ एफर्ट चाहिए. कई लोग खुद को एफर्ट लगाकर खुद से कर पाते हैं, कई लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं, बिकॉज दे सी कि आगे तो डेड एंड है, कुछ उनको पता ही नहीं चलता, बट दे डोंट नो कि आगे तो पूरा एक सर्कल है, दिस लाइफ इज अ सर्कल एंड इट वर्क्स इन सर्कल. तो उस टाइम पे किसी की बुझती हुई लौ का सहारा बनना है, उसको इग्नाइट करना है, किसी के जीवन में होप लानी है. सी व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस इज कि जब आप ये महसूस करते हैं तो दिस इज अ न्यू पर्सपेक्टिव to the example which I have shared with you my feelings, कि आप एक नए पर्सपेक्टिव उनको दिखा सकते हैं लाइफ में. सो आपको ढूंढना है ऐसे लोग. My invitation to you is to all the people whom you know in your life who are undergoing any kind of some depression or any low feeling, कोई भी प्रकार की उनको लो फीलिंग है, आप उनको इनवाइट कीजिए on this platform where we as community will support them, and that is
Yes, ma'am.
required in today's time because that is much needed. क्योंकि हर कोई परेशान है किसी ना किसी चीज में, तो अगर हम वो ढूंढ के उनकी सहायता कर सकते हैं, so that would be a great cause, and that is what this chapter is about, to be a support to somebody. जैसे आपको कहीं से सहारा मिला लाइफ में और आप उनके लिए आज शुक्राना कर रहे हैं, ऐसे ही आपके लिए कभी कोई शुक्राना करेगा. And that is the time when you will reach abundance in manifolds from the universe. Because when you support somebody, you will get support in abundance from the universe. And that is the law of nature. That is the law of attraction. That whatever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
give to others, you receive back in many folds. You receive back 10 times or maybe more. So, this is something I just wanted to give a message to you through this.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, there's a friend of mine, मैम जिसको एंजाइटी अटैक्स आते हैं.
Acha, oh. So
तो मैम,
we can just, yeah.
यस मैम.
So you can just ask him, invite him here on
यस
this platform, and we all as a family will support him.
मैम, आई ऑलवेज सपोर्ट.
Very good, very good. You should. There are certain times, कई बार वो लोग किसी से बात नहीं करना चाहते हैं या वो सोचते हैं कि हमने बात नहीं करनी. But this is a platform जहाँ पर कोई जज नहीं करेगा. आप अपनी कोई भी रैंडम फीलिंग को शेयर कर सकते हैं, आप अपने कोई भी एक्सपीरियंस को यहाँ पर बात कर सकते हैं, और बाकी हम सब उसको महसूस करेंगे. हम वील अंडरस्टैंड दैट यस लाइफ इज लाइक दैट. We all can share here. और यहाँ पर कोई
Like he
जज नहीं
says,
करेगा किसी को, क्योंकि
मैम
we
like he
all are
says
experiencing.
कि
Yes?
लाइफ में कुछ इंटरेस्ट नहीं आ रहा, करने का मन नहीं कर रहा।
हाँ,
मैम
तो
हमेशा
ऐसी
कहता
अगर
रहता
किसी
है
की
मैम को
लाइफ
कुछ।
में सिचुएशन हो, आप उनको ढूंढिए, या आपकी लाइफ में अभी कैसा आप महसूस कर रहे हैं, यू कैन शेयर दैट. So I would like each one of you to share your feelings about today's chapter and how you are feeling now. Let's. Yes, please. What do you feel about this example which gives you a new perspective in life?
मैम वंडरफुल।
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Is that Vidhu? Vidhu, have you joined? Okay. So, Sandeep, thank you so much for your share. Anyone would like to add something? Manisha, you want to say?
I've just joined.
Okay, but yeah,
I
you
missed
saw
everything today.
what
I've
all,
just joined. There was some,
what all you have seen was relevant.
I mean, there was some error. I just saw this last few lines, you know, when you were discussing कि ये है वो, and then video also starting में दिखा, then I missed it because Zoom में कुछ हो रहा था, it wasn't getting connected, कुछ problem हो रही
Acha,
थी.
acha. We were just talking about how some people support us in our lives from anywhere. They come
हाँ.
into our lives. They can be our relative or friend or unknown person who can just come randomly in our life for a while, or they can stay in our
Hmm.
lives forever. So the idea is that we need,
Hmm.
today's chapter, we have to say thank you to them. Take a moment to take to say thank you to them. Write a letter to them. You have to pick 3 people to whom you say thank you for what they did. और आपने वो reason लिखना है कि क्या reason है. Imagine they are sitting in front of you and say them in their face that why
Oh.
you are feeling that, and then write a letter to them.
Because I saw the video starting में, but that they were covering the dog on a
हाँ, तो
street and
उसके
all.
बाद हमने वो तो
वो थोड़ा देखा, फिर मैंने मिस कर दिया
yes,
बीच में.
yes. उसके बाद हमने assignment करी, तो assignment talks about that.
Okay.
So any
Okay.
questions you want to ask
So
about?
maybe I'll hear everybody and then I can contribute.
Yeah, yeah, please. Yes, Sandeep, you were saying something. कोई कभी आपकी लाइफ में कोई ऐसे आया हो जिन्होंने आपको हेल्प करी?
मैम वो तो याद नहीं, बट हाँ मैंने किसी की लाइफ में हेल्प करी है, वो याद है।
Very good, very good. Very nice.
I think Sangeeta, every moment, every part of our life, I think somebody or the other is helping us, or we are helping each other.
Yeah.
So I don't think any specific moments you remember, but every point of life, I think somebody is there to push you or help you in indirect way. You know, they may not be doing it directly, but I think it's very difficult to remember one specific moment. There are many moments you feel, you know.
There are many moments, yes. Very nice if you are getting those wonderful people in your life, because it's so
Yeah.
true that many a times we look for people, but then there's nobody. Even I
You're
experienced
grateful
that
to your
time.
children, your family, you know. The occasions they hurt you also many times, but there are many times they make you feel good also. So there are ups and downs,
Ups and
and
downs.
they do come.
That is a circle of life. Yes.
Yes.
Very nice. Thank you, Vidhu. So
Mhm.
the thing is that we need to be grateful for them, those who support us. They can be our near and dear ones. They can be anyone who is unknown to us, but we don't know them. I don't know. Somehow they just come in our lives and they miraculously make a difference in
And
our.
you know, Sangeeta, I feel pets make a big difference.
Yes.
If everybody is angry at you, if you come home, you're depressed, sad, this,
They
even
always
if you're
welcome.
scolded, they always come and welcome. You always feel, you know, at least they make you cheerful at that moment. So
Yes.
I think they are also part of our lives. If you know,
Absolutely.
they help you overcome many depressions. You know, if a person is a depressed person, if they have a dog, it changes their life completely.
Absolutely. I believe so.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. She's absolutely right.
So I think pets have equal role in it also.
Yes. And they are mood shifters also. कभी
Yes,
depressed
yes.
feel कर रहे हैं या lonely feel कर रहे हैं, if you talk to them, वो एकदम समझ जाते हैं, and they start,
Yes.
they hug you and they be close to you, तो वो समझते हैं that how they work on feelings.
Yes.
वो बहुत ज्यादा महसूस करते हैं
मैम
आप.
बहुत रिलीफ मिलता है.
Yeah, yes, that's true. And in my life, like I experienced a magical couple in my life, and they supported me at the time I most needed. They just like my parents. So it so happens in life that many a times meet people, पता नहीं कहाँ से आपको वो मिल जाते हैं, and they create magic in your life. They support and stay forever with you. तो मैंने भी बहुत बार महसूस करा है कि लाइफ में ऐसे एक्सपीरियंस जो बिल्कुल मैजिक की तरह मेरी लाइफ में हुए. थैंक यू. या यस मनीषा.
Mm, next time, maybe abhi, I don't know. Next time, I don't remember.
Yes, sure. Okay, so
Thank
any
you.
questions regarding today's class and assignment, or you want to add on to something? Or we conclude today's class. And just to remind you about the assignment, you have to do 10 gratitudes, count your blessings, and then hold the magic rock. और आपको वो बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस जो आपका हुआ वो आपको याद करके उस मैजिक फ्रेंड को बताना है. और दूसरा, आपको लेटर लिखना है उन 3 लोगों को जो आपकी लाइफ में आए कुछ फरिश्ता बन के. They came as an angel in your life and supported you when you most needed. So just talk to them and tell them the reason why you are grateful to them. You can write them and you can speak with them in person, in their face. Thank you so much. We conclude today to this beautiful chapter. See you all tomorrow to another beautiful chapter. Thank you. Bye. Love you all. Take care.
Bye. Thank
Thank
you.
you for
Bye,
the beautiful
Sangeeta.
session, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye,
Thank you so
Bye.
much.
Sangeeta.